Hello. Welcome to the Mark Janot Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about the most valuable remote cybersecurity skills. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. We know that the landscape of cybersecurity is constantly changing, constantly evolving, constantly innovating, because cybersecurity kind of falls on the back of technology, right? And we know that technology is, it's changing every second. I mean, look at AI, look at all kinds of things across the board. So, it's very important. So let's begin. Scripting. Scripting is a type of coding that, in which you make a program do something, right? The difference is that the coding is static, where scripts can make images and text move around. So knowing how to build tools and automate repetitive tasks, with languages like Python or PowerShell empowers you to become a more efficient analyst, right? And these skills are, cybersecurity technical skills. Number two, controls and frameworks, right? That's highly important. Controls and frameworks, because that's basically what is the backbone of many IT infrastructures. And cybersecurity framework provides a collection of best practices, policies, tools, and security protocols designed to help secure an organization's data and business operations. A control is a measure your company uses to protect itself from vulnerabilities and attacks. Some of the frameworks that you're going to want to pay attention to is the National Institute of Standards and Technology, the NIST, the International Organization for Standardization, the ISO, the Center for Information Security, the CIS, and the System and Organization Controls Tool, the SOC 2. The next control that you're going to want to take into effect is the intrusion detection. And as a cybersecurity analyst, a big part of your job will involve monitoring network activity for possible intrusions, knowing how to use intrusion detection software, which is basically security and information event management. I also call that SIM tools or products, and IDS systems, intrusion detection systems, and intrusion prevention systems, also known as IPS, enables you to quickly identify suspicious activity or security violations, right? That's one of the biggest aspects of the job right there. Lastly, you're going to want to have network security control. Like the same technologies that allow companies to collaborate can also lead to security vulnerabilities. So you're going to want to buff up that. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I will have more of these for you. So don't fret. Okay, don't fret. Stay safe. See you on the next video.